Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's video, I'll show you how to allow apps display over other apps on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So we're going to move over to quick settings. We're going to go to all settings. So go ahead and look for apps. Now under the app section, just go down. You find a setting says special apps access. Click on this and go down to you find display over other apps. Now on this list, you have all the applications that have the ability to display over other apps. The ones toggled are allowed to display over other apps. The ones which are not toggled on, you see not allowed there. And that means the app cannot display over other apps. So if I want Spotify, for instance, to be able to display over other apps, I could just click on this toggle and it turns it on. Now, Spotify will have the permissions to display over other apps, and that is very critical for the functionalities of some apps, especially apps like launchers. So if you have found how to allow apps display over other apps on Chromecast, then we have been successful with this tutorial. And right there, I'll tell you to support the channel by liking the video, subscribe if you haven't already for more value like this, and I'll see you in the next video.